What's up everyone, it's Ben, and welcome back to the Success Blueprints TV channel, your personal finance channel. If you're tired of seeing your savings account barely grow, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into day 4 of our 7-day series on how to save and invest $10,000. Remember that feeling when you check your investment account and it's actually grown? That's what we're chasing here. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 8 powerful investment strategies that could potentially turn your $10,000 into a life-changing amount of money. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes. This is about building long-term wealth and financial security. So grab your notebooks, because this is information you won't want to miss. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single day of this series. Let's get started. Real estate is the backbone of wealth building. It appreciates over time and generates passive income. People will always need a place to live. With leverage, a small down payment can secure a property. Rent covers the mortgage, building equity monthly. Refinance, pull out equity, and buy more properties. Imagine owning multiple rental properties. It all starts with a small investment. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but grows exponentially. That's compound trading. Reinvest your profits consistently. Trade stocks, forex or cryptocurrencies. Start with $10,000. Reinvest your 5% return. Now trade with $10,500. Each week your profit grows. Small gains become significant returns. Consistency and discipline are key. Avoid emotional trading. Even successful traders started small. They focused on consistent growth. Let compounding do the work. Be patient and disciplined. Now, let's talk about the exciting, volatile, and potentially game-changing world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others have exploded in popularity, and for a good reason. These digital assets have the potential to revolutionize finance, but they also come with significant risks. With $10,000, you can diversify your portfolio across several cryptocurrencies. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Research different projects, understand their technology, and invest in those you believe in for the long haul. Cryptocurrency is like the Wild West of investing. High risk, high reward. It's crucial to approach it with caution. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and be prepared for volatility. This market moves fast, so stay informed, manage your risk, and remember this is a long-term game. Stock market. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's face it, the stock market can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. But here's the truth. It's one of the most accessible and powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. We're not talking about day trading or trying to time the market. That's a recipe for disaster. We're talking about long-term buy and hold investing in solid companies and index funds. With $10,000, you can start building a diversified portfolio of stocks. Consider investing in index funds, which track the performance of the entire market, like the S&P 500. This provides instant diversification and reduces your risk. As your investments grow, so do your assets. Over time, you'll benefit from compounding dividend payments, and the overall growth of the economy. It's not always exciting, but it's a proven strategy for building wealth. Individual growth stocks. Investing in the future. For those seeking potentially higher returns and who aren't afraid of a little more risk, investing in individual growth stocks could be the way to go. These are companies in emerging industries like artificial intelligence, clean energy, and fintech. They're disrupting traditional markets and have the potential to grow exponentially. However, investing in individual stocks requires more research and due diligence. You need to understand the company's business model, its competitive landscape, and its growth potential. Look for companies with strong leadership, innovative products or services, and a large addressable market. Remember, investing in individual growth stocks is not for the faint of heart. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio and be prepared for volatility. But for those who do their homework and invest wisely, the potential rewards can be substantial. Options trading can be lucrative, but complex. Understand the risks before diving in. Options give you the right to buy or sell an asset. You're betting on future price movements. Gains can be amplified, but so can losses. Educate yourself thoroughly. Practice with a demo account first. It can be a powerful tool if used wisely. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Leveraged ETFs are like the high-octane fuel of the investment world. They're designed to deliver multiples of the daily returns of their underlying index. For example, a 3 times leveraged ETF tracking the S&P 500 would aim to deliver 3 times the daily gain or loss of the index. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the catch. Leveraged ETFs are designed for short-term trading, typically just for a day or two. Holding them for the long term can be extremely risky due to a phenomenon called volatility decay. Essentially, the daily resetting of leverage can erode your returns over time, even if the underlying index is moving in your favor. If you're considering leveraged ETFs, understand the risks involved. They're not suitable for long-term holding and should only be used by experienced traders who are comfortable with high levels of risk and volatility. The emerging markets represent countries with developing economies that are experiencing rapid industrialization, growth, and often volatility. While this presents a higher risk compared to investing in developed markets, it also offers the potential for greater returns. When you invest in emerging markets, you're essentially betting on the continued growth and development of these economies. As these countries expand their infrastructure, improve their standards of living, and increase their global influence, their stock markets tend to reflect this growth. However, it's crucial to remember that emerging markets can be highly volatile. Political instability, currency fluctuations, and regulatory changes can all impact your investments. It's essential to diversify your portfolio, conduct thorough research, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. So there you have it. 8 powerful investment strategies that can help you grow your $10,000 into something truly significant. Remember, the key is to start investing early. Stay consistent and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. It's important to do your own research. Consider your risk tolerance and maybe even talk to a financial advisor. Investing is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss day 5 of our series, where we'll explore even more ways to make your money work harder for you. I'll see you in the next one.